name's Prose. I was born in October of '39. Be pushing 79 here in another 3 months. And I've been active all my life. I've been golfing for probably 65 years. Probably most of it right here. About 4 or 5 years ago, it started bothering me pretty bad. And, I was getting shots in it up until this past year, and the last 2 to 3 didn't do a whole lot of good, so decided to hip replacement was the only way to go.
Walt had a severely arthritic hip, and had a lot of pain associated with that, and it got to the point where all the conservative measures failed, so he had his surgery 3 months ago. We did a direct anterior approach. It's a minimally invasive way to replace the hip, and because of that, he was able to get out here pretty quickly. He was out golfing at 6 weeks.
I had surgery, and I was up and walking on a walker right after surgery, really. And the next day I was released.
With the direct anterior approach, again, it's a minimally invasive approach. We usually try to get them walking later that day of the surgery, and then the next day, and most patients are able to go home that next day. We've had some patients go home the same day as well. Because of the fact that we don't have to cut any or release any muscle or ligaments, we're able to get people going immediately, and there's no restrictions after this.
I can do about anything I want to. I got a garden, work out 3 days a week, golf every chance I get. I'm just glad to get back out here.